2006 Ford Explorer. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the spark plugs and wires. Go ahead and disconnect your battery terminals. Second step is you need to disconnect this air box. Take off that clip, pull this red clip up, unhook that. Then on this one right here, you push it down and slide it out, and then it should pop right out. Then you get a flat head and loosen this clamp. There we go. Once you unhook that, take off the air box. Now if you go on this side of the cylinder, you'll have your spark plugs, 1, 2, 3. Now I have a heater control valve that I had to replace, so it sits like that. You don't really have to take it off. You can remove the bracket right here, 1 and 2, and you should have more room to move this around. If not, you just got to work your way around it, or you might have to take off the heater control valve, which is held by 4 hoses, 1, 2, 3, 4. It just has some clamps in it. You need to slide down and disconnect it, but of course you got to drain the antifreeze for that. So this wire right here, you just pull it out, twist it, pull it out, same as here, and one there in the back. Then if you go on this side right here, that's the other side of the cylinder where the wires and the spark plugs are at. Now this wire right here, you have the AC compressor line kind of in the way, so you just grab one of these and you grab hold on the wire and you twist it, and then it'll pop right out. But you should have enough room to put in your swivel spark plug socket right here, and you can loosen it up. Then you got a spark plug here and one back here. Now before you replace the wires, so if you're working on one spark plug, go ahead and disconnect that, and then you got a little clip right here that you need to get a small screwdriver and pop that out. So if you're I would recommend changing one spark plug and then one wire, so you know which wire it goes to which spark plug, so you don't mess this up. So if you disconnect this one right here, remove the spark plug on this side, put a new one, and then change it one by one. Follow this one right here, and you got 2 clips right here that you just press, and then it should pop off like that. So do it one by one, change all 6 of them. I don't know the torque specs for this, but I just usually just feel it out because I do so much of them. So yeah, that's it. So just follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change the wires one by one, so you don't get confused on which wire goes to what cylinder. That's it. Put everything back. That's it.